In this video, we will learn about how can you do asynchronous programming in Python. To learn that, we will look at a very simple example. Here I have two functions with me, sleep then print hello and sleep then print word. And essentially what I'm doing is I'm trying to call these functions one after the another. So for example, let's say if I run this program, I'm calling these functions one after the another. And as you can see, the program is waiting for the first function to return before it's running the second function. Now instead of this, let's say if we want to run both the functions together or start both the function. Now in order to do that, you can use the async library in Python. So I'm importing the async library in Python. Now essentially what you need to do, you need to add a async keyword that you need to tell the Python library that you want to use this function as an async function. And then instead of using the time.sleep operator, you can use await operation from the async library. So you can do async.io. So instead of time.sleep, you can do async.io.sleep, and you can apply this keyword again on the second function. So here I'm applying this on the second function, and again instead of time.sleep I'm saying await and using library for my sleep operation. So now as you can see, I've changed my function definitions with the async function definition, and you also need to apply the same thing to your main function. So instead of doing that, calling both the functions one after the another, but for the async operation you can use the gather operator in the async library. So here I am calling the two functions together, so I can call my first function, the hello function, and together with that I can call the second function, which is the word function. And then in order to run this program, all I need to do is I need to call the async library again and run and call my main function over here. So let's see how it goes. See that both the hello and word got printed together, and essentially what's happening underneath is that the async library is calling both the functions together, and as soon as the sleep operation completes, it prints the hello and the word string. So thanks a lot.